right now we don't have a job, we don't have a to do something, but we can do one thing, brother. Like we are at home right now, so we can learn some new skill about personality development, about communication skill, about become a public speaking, like that. So this is helpful for our career, our future. So this is great, brother. And you are my friend, you are my subscriber, so definitely I will help you, like whatever you have a problem, whatever you have a doubt, anything, so please share with me, please tell me without hesitation, without fear. Definitely I will try to solve, whatever I have, always I share with you, don't worry. So please tell me, yeah, how can I help you, brother?
Yeah, the main thing is, brother, whenever I talk to someone, when I talk to someone, that time when I cannot recognize, sorry, I don't recognize a particular question, that what is the meaning of this question. At that time, I get stuck. How to reply that particular question. That's the main thing. And if I talk about the easiest question, so I can easily correct the question.
Mhm.
Okay, which is easy. Okay, but sometimes if I talk about the speech, brother, speech, we can say any topic. Okay, but on that time, on that topic, I cannot understand how to start and what all the advantage and disadvantage. That's the main thing. That both are two things I have to face it. I have to face.
Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, see, brother, we can say lack of knowledge. If I tell you like your problem, we can say lack of knowledge, because you told me while conversation when I try to talk with me and when when you try to talk with any stranger, anyone. So that moment you think about like what should I do next? What should I ask next? You do not prepare yourself. So we can say lack of practice and maybe lack of vocabulary, lack of question, brother. You know, for example, one thing if I repeat 10 times, 20 times with everyone, like for example, whenever you try to talk with a stranger, like video calling, audio calling, and before making a video, before talking, so if you prepare yourself, like I will ask with him and her about the regarding introduction, regarding future plan, regarding like job, regarding coaching classes. If you prepare before that, then maybe your conversation will going perfectly, because already you practice with yourself, like several times. So same thing, brother, if you talk about any speech, any content, whenever you get, for example, if I tell you, hey brother, I'm going to give a topic like school topic, not a school topic, I'm giving going to give one topic like online education. So maybe that moment you didn't prepare, you didn't collect the information, and directly you get a topic, so you feel too stuck, like about advantage, about disadvantage, because we didn't practice yet, like how to we how to we talk, and how do we call that moment, what kind of this thing, and how to I explain proper. That moment we don't know, but we take and we try to explain more and more, but we can say that moment we could not explain proper, like advantage and disadvantage, because we didn't learn, we didn't collect the information before. So that's why like we are facing stuck about speaking part, about elaborate ourselves, we can say. Whenever come to the situation explanation, that moment we get a we get a hesitation and stuck about, because of because lack of practice, brother, lack of practice.
Yeah.
See, brother, before one thing I'm going to clarify. If you explain more and more, like 1,000 times, 2,000 times, automatically your mind will getting a clarification, brother. And that moment, whenever you get any topic, anything related to English, always you get a you can explain proper way, because already you work yourself 1,000 times, 2,000 times. So it's very important, brother, before do just study proper about self. you know if I tell you, brother, like interview, You know, for example, tomorrow is your interview. Then before interview, definitely you will practice thousand of time, like practice about yourself, practice about organization, practice about your, you know, your education, your experience. Before give an interview, practice 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. You try to prepare yourself. So same thing, conversation, same thing, like speech part, brother. Before do, if you practice, you know, 1 time, 2 time, then you will clarification, you will never face a stuck and hesitation, brother, because already you prepare little bit. So this is, you know, if you do, for example, like whenever you talk with me next time, definitely you will, you know, prepare some question, like I will ask with him some question about journey, about fluency, about learning part. Definitely you will prepare yourself before connect with me next time. So we can say, whenever you try to connect with me, that moment you will never face about stuck, about, you know, asking a question, because you prepare. So we can say, brother, whatever we do next, before next, we have to study proper. We have to study before, you know. So this is a very important. Just study, refer, don't go deeply. Just casually, just, you know, read out, refer through on upper side, brother. Like XYZ, my name is XYZ, I belong to here, and tomorrow I will give an interview. Like that is normal. Just refer through small things. Then this kind of small thing, brother, it's make us stronger. You will get a point, and whenever you get a point, you will, you know, make a long conversation. You can do easily in future. So this is very important practice, brother. It's very important practice. Without practice, brother, we can't, you know, like explain anything. We can't achieve anything. You know, we can't achieve. So this is
Yeah,
reality.
brother.
Reality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is depend on the practice. If you do something like if you go to the gym and say within 10 and 20 days, you cannot become a gentleman and you cannot become a bodybuilder. The first thing that you have to do practice exercise
Yeah.
for your body. Only
Yes.
then you will get a result.
Right. Right. You know,
Practice,
I,
practice.
I'm.
But
I'm
but
give.
yeah,
Tell me. Tell me.
but
Go ahead.
some but brother, but sometimes we don't get any partner to talk, have a conversation with. That's why we cannot speak properly. That is the main thing.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
We
You're
don't
right.
have any atmosphere brother, because we live in India and there is no one speaks in English
Yeah.
language. They speak only in native language.
Okay.
That's the
Oh, I
main
see. Yeah, the, you know, we can say main reason, brother, because we do not get a partner, and without partner, brother, we could not able to understand, we could not able to proper, you know, speaking part. If we talk about, you're right. See, brother, I'm going to tell you one, you know, like a practical example. We can say, right now we are having a conversation, and I think you do not feel to, you know, about hesitation, about fear talking with me, because you can face easily camera. But brother, same thing, if I tell you before me, like when you were beginner, that moment maybe you were afraiding about camera, about making a video. Am I right? Yeah.
thing. May I speak something?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Brother, um, we had a conversation about 5 years, sorry, 5 months ago.
Okay. Yeah.
Probably you forget.
Yeah, maybe, brother. Maybe, brother. I don't remember. Yeah, maybe. Okay.
You uploaded on that time. I cannot speak. I could not speak properly, brother. I
Okay.
used to speak just like that. Uh, Crazy lack of fluency. That's all.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
Probably
But
you forget.
yeah, maybe, brother. I think we had a conversation. But we can say right now, easily you can face a camera. Easily you can talk with me. You are not
Yeah.
feeling hesitation, fear, because you practice before several time about video calling, about audio calling. This is we can call power of spirit, brother. So same
Yeah.
thing in your real life. You know, whatever you have a question, just apply same thing. You told me like while conversation I forget a story, I forget asking, and I forget, like about my content and about my speech. So same thing, if you practice, if you prepare yourself, if you study yourself, like what question, next I will ask, and what topic, automatically you will get, brother, automatically. And I think, like we had a conversation 5 to 6 months ago, that moment you were facing a little bit problem about
Not
understanding
little
about,
bit, not
yeah,
little. I had to face a lot of problems, not all.
yeah, lots of problem you face. But
Yeah,
right now I can see, I can see your communication, your eye contact, your body language, you are comfortable right now and you are speaking with me fantastic, you're doing great. So this is, we can say, like practice, brother, practice, always give a good result, you know
yeah, yeah,
this is,
yeah, yeah. Definitely.
if you continue in future, maybe 3 months to 4 months continuously, definitely you will progress yourself, brother, you will progress. Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect. But how will I we found the partner? That is the main thing.
In this day, brother, we can easily find a partner, like we have a WhatsApp group. So just try to convince them, like, brother, sister, I'm learning an English language, I'm preparing my interview, I want to, become a public speaker. Just try to, say that. Then whoever interest, those people try to, those people attend our call. Like, yeah, I'm comfortable about video call, I'm comfortable about audio call. See, in, we can say everything is digital, brother. In this day we can finally easy partner on social media, like foreigner, we can talk with foreign, we can talk with native tutors. So this is a very easy way, brother.
Yeah,
See,
I know, bro. It is very easy. But if I talk about the Cambly and Clappingo, it's a very expensive app, and you have to
yes,
pay this app for the session.
yeah, I knew that
And
this is a too
as
much
far, yeah, yeah,
expensive.
yeah. As far as I know that um, approximately 2,000 rupees in a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very expensive.
Yeah, see, we can say, brother, so why you are thinking about Cambly and Clappingo? We can learn as a free of cost, brother. Like right now, this is, we can say, video calling, Skype video calling. So just
Yeah,
try to talk with, stranger people. Like already I created a Skype video group also. So if you interested, please join and find a partner, and regular basis just try to talk. And we can say, brother, this is free of cost, we can improve together, we can learn together,
yeah.
you know
Okay.
but we have to find way, we have to find a way. Otherwise, if you do not do yourself and you just sit at home and you are just using your cell phone, you are just wasting of time and thinking about, hey, brother, how do I find a partner, how do I do, how do I learn? So it's not working proper. We have to, we have to do something, we have to, just, go inside and search out, find a partner. See, brother, people talk about, if we find, if we have a true, our mind, we can say, one idiom, I don't remember right now, we can find a god also. If we try to, if we try to from heart, we can find a god also.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
We can
Absolutely.
find a god also. But it's very important, your work, brother. If
Yeah,
you
yeah,
work self, if if you are honestly and hard worker, definitely you will get whatever you want.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely,
So
definitely. Yeah,
struggle is very, very important, brother.
yeah,
Without struggling, we could not get a good result and success also, brother. We can't get without struggle. So it's very important,
yeah,
struggle.
yeah, yeah.
Have to just go find a partner. And seriously,
Yeah,
in this way, brother, very easy way, if you try to yourself, brother, you will get a lots of partner, lots of people are in a market, like WhatsApp group, English WhatsApp group, Facebook. Oh my god, Facebook is like international platform. Just make a good friend, just send a request, talk to, like, brother, sister, I'm learning, I'm preparing IELTS exam, I'm talking, so can we talk, can we practice? Over there you get a bunch of person, brother. Yeah, easy way to find.
Yeah, yeah, that's a very good idea. But one thing, brother, you told me that I have created a group. So I would like to request you, can you add me this on that group?
Yeah, of course. If you interested, brother, then I will send
Yeah,
my Skype video calling
yeah,
group and WhatsApp video calling group like that. If you're interested, so join
yeah,
my
yeah.
WhatsApp and Skype video calling over there. See, lots of people are participated. They are improving literally each other. So if you're interested, then you can join and you can also try to talk with them easily.
Yeah. Brother, I would like to add this group, and thanks for allowing me.